like wind racing through my veins, pushing forward, shaking all the chains. Every moment fuel for the blaze, no looking back in this endless craze. I'm a lightning bolt in the storm, riding the waves where chaos forms, blazing trails through the dark at night, untamed spirit taking flight. When we step, the world ignites, echoes of thunder driving the fight.